Hey guys, it's our new video. Hello, and today we're gonna start talking about the programming. And first of all, what is programming? The concept of programming is a blog post. We will decipher the theme programming and understand its usage in many other related. Understanding programming in layman terms. Programming is a way to instruct the computer to perform various tasks. Confusing letters consider the definition deeply. Instruct the computer. That basically means that you provide the computer a set of instructions that are written in a language that the computer can understand. The instructions could be of various types, for example, adding to numbers, rounding off a number, etc. Just like we humans can understand a few languages, English, Spanish, Mandarin, French, etc. So is the case with computers. Computers understand instructions that are written in a specific syntactical form called a programming language. Perform various tasks. The tasks could be simple ones like we discussed above, adding to numbers, rounding of a number, or complex ones which may involve a sequence of multiple instructions, for example, calculating simple interest given a principal rate and time, calculating the average return on stock over the last 5 years. The above two tasks require complex calculations. They cannot usually be expressed in simple instructions like adding to numbers, etc. Hence, in summary, programming is a way to tell a computer to do a specific task. Why should you bother about coding? You must be wondering, why does one need a computer for adding or rounding of numbers, or even for simple interest calculation? After all, even an 8th standard kid can easily do such things even over large numbers. What is programming used for? What benefits do computers offer? Well, computers offer so many benefits. Computers are fast. Computers are amazingly fast. If only you know how to properly utilize the power of computer programming, you can do wonders with it. For a typical computer of today's time, an addition of two numbers which could be as big as a billion each takes hardly a nanosecond. Read again, nanosecond. That means that in 1 second a computer can perform about a billion additions. Can any human ever do that? Forget a billion additions a second. Typical human can even do 10 additions per second. So computers offer great speed. Computers are cheap. If you are a stock market analyst and you had to monitor the data of say 1,000 stocks so that you can quickly trade them, imagine the hassle that would create if you were to do it manually. It is just impractical. While you are performing your calculation on the stock's performance, the price may change. The other alternative is to hire people so that you can monitor more stocks in parallel. That means your cost goes up significantly. Not to mention the trouble you will face if some of your employees commit a calculation error in the process. So you may end up losing money. Contrast that with the case where you use a computer. Computers can process a huge amount of information quickly and reliably. 100 stocks are nothing for computers in the 21st century. Computers can work 24 hours per day. Computers can work 24 hours per day without getting exhausted. So if you have a task that is big enough, you can without worries allocate it to a computer by programming it and sleep peacefully. What is programming language? As mentioned above, computer understanding instructions that are written in a specific syntactical form called a programming language. Programming language provides a way for a programmer to express a task so that it could be understood and executed by a computer. Refer our another blog post, What is programming language? you know more about programming languages. Some of the popular programming languages are Python, C, C++, Java, etc. Why should you learn computer programming? Now, after knowing so many things about programming, the big question to be answered is why should you learn computer programming? Let us understand why. Programming is fun. Using programming, you can create your own games, your personal blog, profile page, a social networking site like Facebook, a search engine like Google, or an e-commerce platform like Amazon. Won't that be fun? Imagine creating your own game and putting it on Play Store and getting thousands and thousands of downloads. The backbone of a technology company, the backbones of today's technology companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and many other are giant computer programs written by a collaboration of thousands of skilled programmers. If you have the right business acumen, learning programming can help you create the next big tech company. Pretty good salary. It is also a great benefit. Computer programmers are paid extremely well almost all across the world. Top programmers in Silicon Valley make millions of dollars every year. Quite a few companies offer to start salaries as high as 100,000 per year. Let us now get into an actual program. Writing your first program. Uh, Python is a widely used programming language, so it's extremely beginner friendly. You can download Python on the website https two dots two slashes www.python.org/download/. Here you can download Python. After downloading, run the installer in order to install Python on your machine. So, that's the things I wanted to tell you. If you want to learn more about Python, programming languages, and the other things, you should definitely subscribe on our computer. Oh, sorry guys, on our channel, so that you don't miss something. Wait a moment, I'm coming back. So guys, what I also would like to tell you is that the programming is not simple for everyone, and I suppose that not everyone have a possibility to study it appropriately, as you need a special like brain uh, algorithm. So guys, I suppose that's all for today. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Bye bye.